Hey, Andrew from Ozito. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy DIY breakfast table with this great pack from our PXE range. This awesome pack includes a PXE circular saw, impact driver, drill driver, a 3 Ah battery and a fast charger. There's also a nifty instruction manual that will guide you through this project. You'll also find a list of everything you need for this DIY project on the instructions that you can find at your local Bunnings store. Now let's get started. The first step is to measure and mark 220mm from either side of the piece of timber, then clamp it down and cut it with a circular saw. Now you'll need to drill in some pilot holes using a 3mm drill bit, 12mm from one edge of the short piece of timber. We're going to countersink these holes so the screws will sit nice and flush. Repeat this step with the other side that you've cut. Next, run a bead of wood glue along the short edge of the longest piece of timber. Now align the two pieces of timber and screw them together. Repeat this with the other side until you have a U shape. Now we're going to measure halfway down the side of the breakfast table and mark out our pilot holes for the handles we've purchased. Using a 3mm drill bit, drill a shallow pilot hole. The reason why we're not going all the way through is because most handles come with very short screws. Now we're just going to repeat this step on the other side. Before we fasten the handles, it's the best time to decide how you're going to make this design your own. So get creative. Round the corners with a router to give it some character, or decorate it with some paint, stickers or stain, or even varnish. I'm going to keep mine natural. I'll get a light sand here and there to smooth out any hard edges. Fasten the handles with the screws provided with your selected handles. There we have it, a simple and effective DIY breakfast table. Check out our special PXE 3-piece project kit in store now, with all the tools in there that you need to complete this project. And don't forget to share your photos on the socials using #TeamUpWithOzito and #Ozito.